Welcome back to my channel. Today we will make chicken ditaloni sopas. It's just a sopas pero ibang klase yung gagamitin natin. Instead of macaroni, we will be using Ditaloni Rigati. We will also need carrots, cabbage, and one of my favorite, celery. Of course, you will also need evaporated milk and chicken wings. Chicken wings ang ginagamit ko kasi masarap magngat-ngat ng buto, you know. Here, I just want to show you that I'm using a different chopping board for poultry and a different chopping board for vegetables. And of course, different chopping board for other meat products, fish, and fruits. It has nothing to do with the recipe, but I just want to share it with you para aware kayo na it is really advisable to have different chopping boards for each category of food. It's for hygiene purposes. Here, we are doing a julienne cut for the carrots. For the wing part of the chicken, usually tinatanggal ko talaga yung excess thingy. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasanayan ko na lang siya eh. Yung iba, gusto nila tinatabihan, inaadobo. Hindi ko rin magets kung bakit. Pero kanya-kanyang trip. So, if you prefer not to remove that, okay lang din naman. Choice mo yun. Now, for the celery, since malaki naman yung stalk, ikakat natin siya sa middle. And then later, hihiwain natin siya ng paslant. Parang magiging julienne din. The more, the merrier, you know. Kasi healthy ang celery, so why not? Bonggahan natin. And include natin ang leaves. And now for the cabbage, ganyan lang siya, parang shredding lang. By this time, nagpapakulo na ako ng water para sa chicken. And of course, mawawala ba naman sa eksena ang onion and garlic. So now, in a boiling water, ilalagay na natin yung wings. Ayan, yung chicken wings kanina, hinati ko pa into 2 parts. So, ganyan na siya. And then, later on, pagkatanggal natin ng mga residue, lalagyan na natin ng salt and pepper habang pinapakuluan. Ayan na nga, linisin muna natin yung water. Kayo ba guys, do you also remove that? I know some people na hindi nagtatanggal. Ako kasi, I always remove. Yan kasi yung bilin sa akin ng mama ko before. Anything na lumalabas kapag nagpapakulo ng kahit na anong meat, tanggalin. Dumi daw kasi yan. And syempre, ang pangit din naman tignan, diba? While eating, merong mga kung anik-anik na nagsuswim-swim dyan na hindi naman part ng ingredients, diba? So, ayan na nga, clear na yung water. So, nag-add na ako ng salt and pepper, pampalasa. If you have seen my videos, hindi pa ako gumagamit ng mga ready-mix powders and mga cubes or bouillons, ganyan. Kasi I usually depend on spices and herbs lang talaga as much as possible. Hindi ako gumagamit nga ng ganun. Except for my far recipe, which I will link down below. Doon gumamit talaga ako ng beef stock powder because I had no time to make a beef stock from scratch. Okay, now in a large pot, maglagay tayo ng extra virgin olive oil. Make it hot. Put onion. Saute for a bit. And then, add garlic. Ang bango talaga ng combination ng onion and garlic, no? Now, we just have to wait na maging translucent na yung onion. And that's the time ilalagay na natin yung chicken. Medyo dahan-dahan lang natin ilalagay yung chicken, guys, kasi remember, galing lang sa pakulo yung chicken. So, basa siya. Basa plus oil equals tilansek. So, iwas tayo sa tilansek. Now, isasangkot siya muna natin yung chicken. Do you know, guys, trivia lang sangkot siya came from a Spanish word, salcochar, means to boil with water and salt. Ang gulo, no? Pero sa ating Pilipino, sangkot siya means yung parang iluluto muna natin yung chicken before natin idagdag yung other ingredients. By this time, ilalayer na natin ang flavor ng chicken. So, we have to add a lot of pepper para hindi naman pagkain natin ng chicken parang bland, diba? And then, halo lang ng halo para distribute ng maayos yung flavor and yung heat. Now, like what I've said sa past video ko on how to cook vegetables, link will be down below. Kailangan unahin yung gulay na mas matagal iluto. Although, carrots naman pwede mong kainin ng raw, but for a soup, it's good na hindi naman siya ganun ka-crunchy. And then, isabay na din kagad natin yung cabbage. Madami talaga ako maglagay ng gulay sa sopas kasi parang yan lang naman yung ingredients niya eh. So, dapat ibongga na natin. So, ayan na nga. Hahaluin lang natin siya ng hahaluin para yung bagong lagay natin na vegetable mapunta naman sa ilalim. I have added the celery na din. Sorry, I forgot to press the record button. Ganun ulit, haluin lang ng haluin para yung bagong lagay na vegetable mapunta sa ilalim, yung nasa ilalim, mapunta naman sa ibabaw para iwas overcook. Ngayon, habang naghahalo lang naman ako, I will take this opportunity para batiin na rin ang aking mga fans. Charot! Fans talaga. Special shout out to Eileen or Ice. Sorry, hindi ko kasi siya nabate last time. Pinagmalaki pa naman niya sa mga office mate niya na mababati siya. So, this is the moment. Hello, Ice. And hello to your office mates as well. I hope you guys can try this recipe. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Okay, now back to paghahalo. Kayo ba, yung sopas, inuulam nyo? Comment down below ha kung sino mga nag-uulam ng sopas. Because I know a few people na talagang inuulam nila yung sopas. Specifically si Belia. Hello, Belia! For this recipe, I am using Ditaloni Rigati. I love using this type of pasta for a soup kasi hindi siya masyadong mabigat. If this is not available for you, pwede naman yung elbow macaroni. You can use whatever type of pasta you want. Actually, any type of pasta will do. Bahala ka maging resourceful ka, maging creative ka. Yun ngang spaghetti noodles, pwede mong hati-hatiin yan na maliliit. Then, pwede mo na siyang gamitin for sopas. Now, here comes my secret ingredient. Fennel seeds. I love adding fennel seeds sa mga soup recipes na ginagawa ko. It adds a very distinctive flavor na sweet, flowery, sort of licorice kind of thing. Although optional lang naman yung fennel seeds, hindi ko kayo pipilitin kasi mamaya yan, hindi nyo pala gusto yung ganung lasa, sisihin nyo pa yung recipe ko. So ako, suggestion lang naman. Kung experimental kayo and gusto nyo ring matry, then add a spoonful of fennel seeds. Now, let's add the chicken stock na ginamit natin kanina. So, since nag-a-add na tayo ng sabaw, we have to add our spice again. So, add more pepper and boiled water. Make sure na yung niluluto mo will be covered by water. Pero not too much kasi mag-add pa tayo ng milk later. Once covered na ng water yung mga ingredients, haluin lang natin siya ng haluin ulit para ma-distribute ng maayos yung temperature. Habang naghahalo ako, I will also take this opportunity to give a special shout out to my YouTube family. O diba ang bongga, meron na akong YouTube family. So, hello to Josh Fresnido, Team Balboa Channel, Lau Sexy, Joanne Agan, Rezen Jane Domingo, and Out and About with Rochelle. Thank you guys! So, ayun na nga. Nag-shoutout lang ako. Kumulo na yung niluluto ko. Charot. So, ayan na. Kumulo na siya. Then, now we have to add fish sauce or patis. So, kung mapapansin nyo kanina, ang lagi ko lang dinadagdag talaga is yung pepper. Kasi nga, ngayon, maglalagay ako ng patis. Let it boil again. And then, pag kumulo na siya, lalagay na natin yung evaporated milk. Disclaimer, yung patis, syempre, depende sa panlasa nyo. Kung bet nyo yung maalat, dagdagan nyo. Kung okay lang naman yung hindi masyadong maalat, depende talaga sa inyo. Same as with the milk. May iba, gusto yung sobrang milky. May iba naman, which is ako, ayoko ng masyadong milky. So, depende talaga yan sa pagluluto. Kaya, sa umpisa pa lang, wag masyadong maraming nilalagay na asin or anything na pampaalat. Along the way, dun na lang natin siya dadagdagan. Kasi kapag masyado ng maalat, mahirap na siyang habulin yung bawasan ba. Now, i-cover lang natin and one last kulo and you're good to go. Yes, madami po talaga akong ginawa kasi may pa-feeding program. Charot! Ano ang favorite nyong sinasabay while eating the sopas? Ako kasi nagbo-boil pa ako ng egg tapos nilalagay ko siya sa sopas ko. That's my thing. And minsan, pandesal and sopas. Like what I've said kanina nga, kanin, ulam, sopas. So, anong mga trip nyo? Comment nyo. I know sopas is a very basic recipe, but I do hope I was able to input some additional information sa inyo. Oh yeah, before I forget, I always add chili flakes on top kapag kinakain ko na siya. Hindi ko siya sinasabay while cooking kasi others doesn't prefer a spicy sopas. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please hit the like button. And if you are new to this channel or if you are not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it so you'll get notified whenever I upload new video. Always remember, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!